firing full thrust. You gotta slow down there, dude. I can't play.
Is the camera looking at
Yeah,
me?
it's looking at you. You got it at full throttle, dude.
That's a little fucking cool camera there. It's looking at me.
Yeah, it is. How are you doing? You wanna talk to me for a minute?
Hey, if I can leave.
What? No, we're supposed to be building some Legos, right? What? Oh, now I can check this thing out. Alright, let's see if these engines will fire. Oh yeah, look at that. Look, they're firing. Oh man, they're coming on. Oh, every time you do that, you kind of fuck up my little thing going. But okay, it's fine. It's fine. I love you. I thought you were building a truck.
I'm gonna put food doors on here.
Dude, this thing is so cool. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Hey, you know what? We might have enough that we can make some sets that match now. Yeah, this is pretty cool, dude. I think it is backwards. I don't know how to... Oh, we gotta switch the damn plugs. Alright. I love you, sweetheart. What you got there? What is that? That is one complicated what? What is it?
Door.
A door? Yeah. Yeah, it does seem like one. It's a window, honey. That's as complicated as Windows 95.
Door.
I love you.